Hello children, we are learning about the Nayakas, Palegaras and Palepattu. That lesson I started now children. In the last class, I taught about the Nayakas of Keladi. Yes, no? Today I am taking the Nayakas of Chitradurga. Chitradurga name you heard children? If anyone says about the Chitradurga means what you will remember? 7 encircled fort and Madhikari Nayaka. You remember no? Very famous story about them, and one more Manike Obona Kindi. All this one we will remember if anyone says about Chitradurga means. That one only we are learning in this lesson children. These Nayakas, Palegaras and the Nada Prabhus, how Keladi Nayakas are most popular one. They are having the special history in the Karnataka history. Same way, this Chitradurga Nayakas also having the important place in the Karnataka history. Here, very famous one children. Why famous means they built the 7 encircled fort. It is fully made by the rocks only. That is very famous one. And nearly 30 chieftains ruled Chitradurga children. Among the Nayakas of Chitradurga, 13 Nayakas are important one. 13. I will write here children. 13 Nayakas. You take it in one more point. Okay, 13 Nayakas they ruled, and nearly 211 years they ruled children. See the year I mentioned here, 1568 they started ruling, and up to the 1779. Up to that one they ruled. It will come around 211 years. Got it? See, Vijayanagar Empire is collapsed in the year 1565. That was Sangadiki War. Yes, no children. After that, they separated from the Vijayanagar kings and they started ruling. But they declared themselves as independent kings in the year 1568. And the first king of the Chitradurgas of Nayaka is Matti Timmanna Nayaka. Matti Timmanna Nayaka. He is the first king from the Chitradurga Nayakas. See children, this Matti Timmanna started ruling. He is the first king, and this Rajavira Madhikari Nayaka is the last one, 1779. This 7 encircled fort is taken by the Hyder Ali. So Rajavira Madhikari Nayaka is the most famous among the all 13 Nayakas, and he only the last king of the Nayakas. Followed children? So understood about the first king and the last king? Nearly 13 kings Nayakas ruled for 211 years. Now I will take about the famous king from the Chitradurga Nayaka. See, 13 Nayakas are said children. In your textbook they given the names of the other famous Nayakas. I will read out that one. That is Kasturi Rangappa Nayaka, Kasturi Chikkanna Nayaka, Bichugatti Bharmanna Nayaka, and Hiriya Madhikari Nayaka. These are the famous Nayakas among the 13 Nayakas. Now about the Rajavira Madhikari Nayaka we are learning today. He is the most famous, powerful as well as the last king of the Chitradurga. Okay children? See, I said he is the most powerful and popular one. He ascended the throne. He became the king when he was 12 years old. Just he is a 12 years old boy. That time he became the king, Nayaka. He started ruling Chitradurga. Followed children. See, when he was ascended the throne, he was a small age. That time Hyder Ali helped him. Hyder Ali, who is he? See children, he is in the army chief in the Bahmani Sultans. Army chief in the Bahmani Sultanate. That time he is very powerful one. On behalf of king, he used to wage the wars, collect the tax, all the power he got. Like Muhammad Khan, you remember? Like that he was. Then he started thinking, why should I become the king? Every work I am doing on behalf of king. So he taken the small portion in the Mysore and he declared himself as a king. He started ruling. That time he used to help the Rajavira Nayaka. Madhikari is a title children, how it is I will tell. Rajavira Nayaka, he used to help him. Then day by day, this Rajavira Madhikari Nayaka, how he is growing in the age, like that way, his powerfulness, his popularity also go on rising. He made the protection for his kingdom. He made many developmental work for the people. He started showing concern to the people. Many pro people work he done in his kingdom. So people also started liking him. But Hyder Ali was in the beginning he used to help him. But as he go on becoming popular in the day by day, he became jealousy about the Rajavira Madhikari Nayaka. Then he planned to attack the Chitradurga. Alright children, I will tell that one. Before that, I will tell how he got the title Madhakari. Otherwise, his name is Rajavira Nayaka only children. How he got the title Madhakari? Madhakari, it is a Kannada word children. Here two words are there. Madhakari. Madha means anger, you can say. Kari means elephant. Kari, Kannada word. ಆನೆಗೆ ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದ ಗಜ ಆನೆ kari, like this many similar words are there children. So kari means elephant only. How he got this title means once what happened in the kingdom, see to build that fort is Chitradurga fort is made by the rocks. Rock only they converted into fort, houses, watching tower, temple, all these things children. So when they are constructing that one, they used to make of the elephants to lift the rock, to move the rock. They are using the elephants. They are taming the elephants. So once what happened, one of the royal elephant only come very anger. Mother it is called in Kannada. So that time, who will control that one? It started killing others, roaming here and there, damaging the property and all. It started. Who has to tame it? Who has to control it? So it became very horrible. That time, this Rajavira Madhikari Nayaka, he taken the challenge. He controlled that anger elephant. He sat on it and it Ankusha, you know that one? With that, he controlled the elephant. He made it soft. So as he made the anger elephant soft one, they given him title as a Madhakari Nayaka. Okay children? Better to listen this story in Kannada children. I will try to say that one in Kannada, then you will come to know. Because these are Kannada words. Okay? ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆನೆಗೆ ಮದ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ರಾಜದೇ ಆನೆ. ಮದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಇರುವಂತ ಆನೆ. ಯಾರ ಕೈಗೂ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಗೂ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಜನರು ಸಿಕ್ಕರನ್ನ ತುಳಿದು ಸಾಯಿಸೋದು, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಕ್ಕರನ್ನ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡೋದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಇರುವಂತ ಆನೆ, ಮದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾರು ಆನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಕಾರ ನೋಡಿನೇ ಹೆದರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಹತ್ರ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವ ಉಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂತ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜವೀರ ನಾಯಕ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂಕುಶ ತಗೊಂಡು, ಆನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೋದು ಅಂಕುಶಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಅಂಕುಶ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ತಿನ್ನೋದು, ಅದನ್ನ ತನ್ನ ಹತೋಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹತೋಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನ ಮದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನೆಯನ್ನ ಪಳಗಿಸಿದವನು, ಅದನ್ನ ತನ್ನ ಹತೋಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದಿರುವಂತ ನಾಯಕ ಇವನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಜನರು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವತ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆ ಬಿರುದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನ ಅವನ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಾಜವೀರ ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಕರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನೆ. ಆನೆಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಗಜ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಆನೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಕರಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಕರಿಮುಖ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನೆ, ಮೊದಲು ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರುವಂತ ಆನೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes. Now I am going to tell the story of Hyder Ali. I said children, Hyder Ali became very jealousy about the Madhakari Nayaka. He wanted to attack and capture that fort, but that fort was very much safety. They made it full rock. It is encircled means how it is, children. Take this point, children. I will explain that. Down means you can't see, I think. Wait, children. Here only also that one. See, encircled means here it is the palace. 7 rings like this. See, you are having one game now, children, to put the ball. You are entering here, up to here you have to go, you will get the second line. You have to come here, then you will get the third entry. Like this, here reaching this, it is very difficult. Like this way they made the 7 circles to reach the fort. Followed, children, very difficult one, and the walls of the forts are very high one, and the watching towers are there on the wall. Every time these soldiers used to watch the tower. So it is very difficult for the enemy to enter this 7 forts and capture the king. Like this way they made the fort. But Hyder Ali, children, as he is a friend of him, he know many things about the fort. Once he attacks with a top directly to enter in the fort. But the security was very tight, and as these walls are made by the rocks, he could not enter in the fort. Then he came to know that this security is very powerful. I can't enter in a direct way. I must see the secret way. So someone helped him to know about the secret passage, what we are calling as a Ubhavanakindi. Do you know, children? Heard the word? Yes, that is a water drainage, children. From the top of the hill to the bottom of the hill, one small drainage they made to pass the water. About that one he came to know. Very small it is. Very lean man can pass there. In that. So he came to know about that one. Through that one, the Hyder Ali soldiers started entering the palace. It will come directly here only, children. In the middle, top of the fort only it will come. There only they started coming. That time, Wanake Obawa means she is a Obawa her name. Obawa means she is a wife of the one watchman. Soldier you can say. So when the watchman came from the watching tower, he came for the lunch. That time, seeing that time, soldiers, Hyder Ali soldiers started entering in the fort. But Obawa went to bring the water. She saw some noise in the passage. When she saw that time, Hyder Ali soldiers were coming out of that passage. She is a common lady, she don't know sword fighting and all, she don't know. So, just she taken the wooden pistol, Vanake, from her house. And she started hammering on the heads of the soldiers, Hyder Ali soldiers. Like that way she killed many soldiers. But what happened, children? It is bad luck of Vanake Obawa, you can say. That one of the soldiers, she dragged all the soldiers in one side, but one of the soldiers was not dead. He was unconscious. After a few minutes, he got conscious and he came to know that many of his soldiers were died. And this lady is killing. Vanake Obawa is killing him. So he taken his sword and he stabbed her from the backside. There only she died. That is the end of the Vanake Obawa. See, children, she is a common lady. She don't know any weapons, sword fighting and all, anything she don't know. Even though you can see her patriotism. Any other woman, she would have ran away, screaming, soldiers are entering, enemies are there, like this. But she did not do all this work. She put her own effort for the safety of the Chitradurga fort. We must appreciate her patriotism. This is all about the Obawa. Her name is Obawa, children. As she used the Vanake. Vanake is again Kannada word. Wooden pistol it is. To grind the grains in olden time they are using. That one she taken. So they kept the name as a Obawa. Vanake Obawa. And what passage is there? What passage? That passage name they kept as a Vanake Obawa Kindi. Kindi means small hole it is. Till today in Chitradurga you can see this one. Okay. Still more I will tell about the Chitradurga. Take this one, children. Yes. Regarding Obawanakindi, I given the explanation, children. Chitradurga fort is also called as a hill fort. See children, it is very attractive to see. You have to climb the many steps to reach the Obavana Kingdom. Then children, in the Chitradurga fort, you can see many two water tanks are there. That is Brahma Sagara and Bhima Samudra. Brahma Sagara and Bhima Samudra, like this, two big water tanks are there. In the olden time, these tanks only used to supply the water facility for the whole fort. And oil tanks also are there, children, in that. See, in olden times, there were no electricity. In the night time, to lit the fire, they need hilal they are using, children. For that, they need oil, no? So they kept the water tanks. They are fully made by the stone only. In a single rock, they made the water tanks. You are visiting Chitradurga means you can see all this one. Then temples are there. Ganesha temple is there. Hanuman temple is there. There, that one you can see there. And watching towers is there. Watching tower, two are at the top of the hill, children. At the top of the hill. See that what is the specialty of that watching tower means? See, at the top of the hill means only soldiers will go, no one else. So if sitting in the watching tower only, if the soldiers slept means who will wake up them? They must be always alert to watch the fort. By mistakenly they slept means who will awake them? So ecosystem they made. See, if man is sleeping means he'll get the snoring, no? So their snoring sound will only echo in that watching tower and it will make them to wake up. Followed? Very interesting, no? Like that they made, like two watching towers are there. And Bombay Mandapa is there, children. In the Bombay Mandapa, elephant and horse statues are there. But they are broken. Hyder Ali demolished them. What are those? See, in a war, if any royal elephant or royal horse died means to keep the memory of that elephant or horse, they are making the stone statue of that one. They are keeping the name of that elephant or that horse only, and usually they are worshipping them. Got it? As they are contributed for the defense of the kingdom, they are worshipping them. Followed, children? This is all about the Chitradurga. Main thing, Chitradurga name, how it came. Kannada word it is, children. Chitra means picture. Durga means fort. Chitra, see children, that rocks only representing the some objectives. One rock looked like an elephant. Another rock looked like a crocodile. Another rock looked like a rabbit. And the top of the hill, one rock is looking like a boat. Usually, kings, when they are want to celebrate the victory in the war, no, that time they used to hoist the flag at the top of the hill. It is boat-shaped rock. You are visiting the place means you will understand all this one. I am trying to make the one more video of the Chitradurga fort only with the all photos and description, children. Carefully and interestingly watch it. And enough for today. Take the homework. Yes. 3 questions I wrote, children. How many years Chitradurga Nayakas ruled? How many years? You have to write. Name the first king of Chitradurga Nayakas. Who is the first king? Write about Madhikari Nayaka. Short note, children, it is what I explained about Rajavira Madhikari Nayaka. You have to write. Rajavira Madhikari Nayaka it is, children. But in short, Madhikari Nayaka also they are calling. But it is Rajavira Madhikari Nayaka. Both are same. Followed, no? So these two you have to write. 3 you have to write. Okay? Thank you for today's session, children. You see the next this one. Nayakas of Surpur will take in the next class. Okay? Thank you.
Hello children, welcome to Chitradurga fort. It is 7 encircled fort, 7 suttina kote. All the 7 circles are having the one main door and they are kept the special name for that. But already 2 main doors are covered by the city. What visitors are entering, no? That is the third door, Ane Bagilu it is called. And which are in the city? They are Gare Bagilu and Uchangi Bagilu. Another 4 doors are in the fort. Their name is Kamana Bagilu, Gante Bagilu, Veerabhadreshwara Bagilu, and Kasturi Rangappa Bagilu. See children, this Kasturi Rangappa is also one of the famous ruler in the Chitradurga Nayakas. And you can see this one, it is Indo-Islamic style children. Ark you can see in the picture. Yes, no? Yes. Then Chitradurga, why name came means it is a Kannada word. Chitra means picture, Durga means fort. Some rocks are representing the some objectives. One rock look like a elephant, another one like a rabbit, and 2 rocks are looking like a crocodile, and one at the top of the hill one rock is there, it looked like a boat. Usually king used to hoist the flag whenever they are getting the victory in the war. Then inside the palace you can see the temples, palaces, water tanks, Bombay Mantapa, watching tower, soldier's house, and some symbols also you can see. And one temple is there, Ganesha temple, that is in the rock only they made the Ganesha. Now it is worship is going on there children, it is not demolished one, but other Ganesha temple and Hanuman temples are demolished one. Soldiers' houses are inside the rock children. You can see in the picture. Rock only they made as a houses for the soldiers. This is Bombay Mantapa. Inside statues of the elephant and horse are there. The royal one which lost their life in the war, that one they are making the statue and they are worshipping them. Then symbols you can see, this is a snake symbol. Just to show that passage is very difficult and you get the water facility in that, like that one, to show them they are making the symbols of such a things on the wall it is. Then most interesting one is Hyder Ali's attack children and Obavana Kindi. You know that is a drainage system children. Drainage system, that one yes, Hyder Ali used to enter in the temple. You know all this one. What you are seeing now, this is all temples. Temples of the Chitradurga fort they are. From the or far away you can see the fort like this. Many things are demolished. Palaces and all you can't see. This is a one top. Now they kept it is. Then these are temples children. Fully rock only they converted as a temple, palaces, houses of the soldiers, some statues are there, but they were demolished. Nowhere puja, worshipping and all is, nothing is there. Water tanks and all is there, and oil tanks is there children. In olden time electricity was not there. To lit the fire they are using the hilal, so they need oil, no, so they made oil tanks. They also made by the rock only, single rock they cut into oil tank, that one they are using. Really you are visiting there means you can see this one, wonderful history it is having. And these are the water tanks children. 2 big water tanks are there, Brahma Sagara and Bhima Sagara, like that 2 are there, which are supplying the water facility for the whole fort in the olden time. Nayakas only built this one. This one also one tank only, Brahma Sagara and Bhima Sagara, names of that tank. Everywhere rock only you can see there. And the last ruler of the Chitradurga Nayakas is Rajaveera Madikari Nayaka. Timmanna Matti Nayaka is the first ruler and this Rajavira Madhakari Nayaka is the last one. And very interesting part of Chitradurga is this Obavnakindi, Hyder Ali attack and all, you know, no children, that one it is. Drainage passage it is, drainage system it is, that one Hyder Ali used to attack. After Hyder Ali attacked the Chitradurga fort and he taken it. That is the end of the Chitradurga Nayaka's rule. Rajavira Madhikari Nayaka, last ruler of the Chitradurga. After Hyder Ali, it went to the British control, Chitradurga fort. Okay, thank you children.